center soundstage was used for an episode of the TV series Bones. What you're seeing on screen was filmed right here. Primarily over here on the right, we have an underground subway station. We're driving along the subway tracks, a little on the bumpy side, so let's remain seated while we are in here. The Bones folks turned this into the Washington Metro. Okay, that felt like a little earthquake tremor. We have these every once in a while. Okay, now this one feels like an 8.3 earthquake on the Richter scale. This one's the big one. Look out for the train on the left! On the right, watch out for your cameras! And that was a great example of a mechanical effect. Let's see what that effect looked like on Bones.